about a 3-minute bit of love seeing the sunrise out in the Oregon coast. So I'll just take this picture and do like I do when you get up in the morning. Give whatever you bless, whether it be God or source or whatever it is that you happen to bless. Give a blessing that you woke up this morning and were able to see this view. Again, we're on the Oregon coast. Moto and I out on our adventures, and I just can't say more. So if you like this video, subscribe. I'd like to have you around, see what you think of all of our travels, and pass this on to somebody if they need this message. Because God's message today is just enjoy each day. Now, if you made it this far, the true message is the lonely path isn't always the easiest, but in the end, you receive abundance. Choose the right path.